Good morning, dear friends. Do you often wake up feeling that your hands are numb and your legs are stiff, as if they do not belong to you? Please do not ignore these signs, because this is the time when your blood circulation is at its lowest and the risk of a stroke is highest. Today, I will share 3 golden exercises you can do right in bed to eliminate numbness and protect your precious blood vessels for a healthy life. These simple movements are designed specifically for seniors to wake up the body gently without causing any sudden stress or dangerous pressure on the heart. By spending just a few minutes before getting out of bed, you can significantly improve your mobility and reduce the feeling of heaviness in your limbs. Let us take care of our health together, starting right now with patience and consistency, to ensure every morning is a bright and energetic new beginning. Are you ready to learn these 3 golden movements? Let us dive into the details and understand why they are so vital for your morning routine. Why is the morning so critical? After a long night of rest, your blood tends to be thicker and moves much slower through your narrow vessels. If you jump out of bed too quickly, your heart faces sudden pressure to pump blood against gravity, which can lead to dizziness or even fainting. These exercises help wake up your blood vessels slowly and safely. They prepare your circulatory system for the day's activities without causing any unnecessary internal shock. A very important safety note: these exercises are supportive. You must never stop taking your blood pressure or heart medication prescribed by your regular doctor. Always listen to your body carefully. If you feel any sharp pain or severe dizziness while performing these movements, please stop and rest immediately for safety. Combine these movements with deep, steady breaths. Proper oxygenation is the key to thinning the blood and helping it flow more easily through your entire body. Make sure your bedroom is warm enough before you start, as cold air can cause blood vessels to constrict, making circulation even more difficult for you. Now, let us get into position. I will guide you through each step slowly so you can follow along easily right from your own comfortable bed. Drinking a small glass of warm water before starting can also help thin your blood and make these exercises much more effective for your vascular health. Exercise number 3 is the ankle flexion and extension. This simple movement is often called the internal pump for your lower body's blood circulation. Lie flat on your back. Now pull your toes back toward your head as hard as you can. You should feel a stretch in your calves. Hold this position for about 3 seconds. This tension helps to squeeze the veins in your lower legs, pushing the blood upward toward your heart. Next, slowly point your toes away from you, as if you were trying to touch the end of the bed. Stretch the top of your feet. Did you know that the calf muscle is considered the second heart of the human body? It plays a huge role in returning blood to the heart. Keep repeating this movement rhythmically. Flex toward you, hold for 3 seconds, and then point away. It is like a gentle pump for your blood. This movement is incredibly effective for reducing morning foot numbness and preventing the formation of dangerous blood clots in the deep veins of your legs. Let us count together. Pull back, 1, 2, 3, and point away, 1, 2, 3. Feel the blood beginning to move through your lower limbs. If you find it difficult to move both feet at once, you can alternate. This variation is just as effective for waking up your circulation gradually. Notice how your ankles feel warmer as you continue. This warmth is a sign that fresh, oxygenated blood is finally reaching your extremities after the night. Keep your breathing deep and steady. Do not hold your breath while moving your feet. Let the oxygen flow through your system with every single stretch. You are doing great. It might feel a little tight at first, but with each repetition, your muscles and veins will become more flexible and responsive. Remember, speed is not the goal here. Quality and control are much more important. Move slowly to ensure the muscles are properly engaging and pumping blood. After about 10 to 15 repetitions, take a short break. Feel the tingling sensation in your feet? That is your circulation improving right before your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Relax your entire body and prepare for the next round of this exercise. This consistency is what will keep your legs feeling light and energetic throughout the rest of your busy day ahead. Already, you should feel the stiffness fading away. This simple pump is your first line of defense against the discomfort of morning numbness and swelling. Now that we have awakened the lower body, let us move our focus to the upper body. This next exercise is perfect for your hands and arms. Exercise number 2 is the arm meridian stroking. This technique focuses on clearing the energy and blood pathways from your fingertips all the way to your heart. Use your right hand to stroke firmly from your left wrist upward. It is crucial to always move in an upward direction, following the blood flow. Continue the stroke all the way up to your shoulder. This motion assists the veins in returning blood and lymph fluid back to the central circulation. Make sure to stroke both the inner and outer parts of your arm. The inner arm is especially important, as it houses the meridians for the heart. By applying this gentle pressure, you are stimulating vital nerve endings and acupuncture points that help regulate your blood pressure and calm your nervous system. Now let us switch arms. Stroke from the right wrist up to the shoulder. Do it firmly but gently enough that it feels like a massage. You might feel a warm sensation or a slight tingling in your fingers. This is a very good sign that your peripheral nerves are waking up. If your hands are very cold, rub them together first to create some heat. Warmth helps to dilate the vessels and makes the exercise even more effective. This movement is highly recommended for those who experience trembling hands or have difficulty gripping objects tightly when they first wake up in the morning. Repeat each arm about 10 times. Focus on the sensation of your hand moving over your skin. This mindful movement helps connect your brain to your limbs. Always remember the upward direction. We are working with gravity and the body's natural valves to make the heart's job much easier this morning. While you are at it, you can also gently squeeze each finger. This helps push blood into the smallest capillaries at the very tips of your fingers. Do you see how the color is returning to your hands? They should look more pink and feel much more flexible now than they did 5 minutes ago. You are doing a wonderful job of caring for your circulatory system. Consistency is the secret to long-term health and mobility for seniors. Breathe in deeply. Imagine fresh energy flowing into your arms with every stroke. This is your time to nourish your body and prepare for the day. Relax your arms now. Let them rest for a moment. You should feel a sense of lightness and warmth radiating from your shoulders down to your fingertips. You are nearly there. We have one more exercise to go, and it is the most powerful one for your heart and brain health. Stay with me. Let's lie back down comfortably. This final movement will help integrate everything we have done and give your circulation a massive healthy boost. And finally, the most important one, exercise number 1, the low elevation air bicycle. This is a total game changer for your morning vascular health. Lift your legs just a little, about 20 centimeters off the bed. You don't need to lift them high. Keeping them low protects your lower back. Now, start pedaling slowly. Imagine you are riding a bicycle through a beautiful park. Keep the movement smooth, controlled, and very deliberate as you go. By elevating your legs slightly above your heart level, you're using gravity to help the blood flow back, reducing the pressure on your leg veins. This gentle cycling motion activates the entire circulatory system. It's like a morning wake-up call for every single blood vessel in your body. You only need to do this for about 2 minutes. Even a short session can significantly lower your risk of morning vascular congestion and related issues. Remember to breathe naturally. Do not hold your breath. If you feel tired, you can lower your legs, take a break, and then start again slowly. You can even try pedaling backward for a few seconds. This helps with joint coordination and ensures that all the muscles in your legs are being used. This exercise is powerful because it boosts the blood supply to your brain, helping you feel more alert and reducing that morning foggy-headed feeling. Keep going. Each pedal stroke is a step toward a healthier heart and stronger blood vessels. You are taking active control of your physical well-being. Just 30 more seconds. Feel the energy building up in your body. This is the best gift you can give yourself every single morning you wake. Notice how your whole body feels more alive. The numbness should be completely gone by now, replaced by a sense of warmth and healthy circulation. Slow down now. Gently lower your legs back to the mattress. Take a moment to lie still and feel the blood pulsing through your entire body. That was excellent. Take a deep, long breath. You have just completed the most important routine for your vascular health and stroke prevention this morning. Do not rush to stand up yet. Allow your blood pressure to stabilize for a few seconds while you enjoy this feeling of relaxation and total physical readiness. When you are ready, roll to your side first, and then use your hands to push yourself up. This is the safest way to protect your heart. In just 10 minutes, you have given your body an incredible gift. These 3 exercises are simple, but their impact on your long-term health is truly profound. Let us recap: the ankle pump, the arm stroke, and the air bicycle. Do these 3 every morning before your feet even touch the floor. I would love to hear how you feel after trying these. Please share your results and any questions you have in the comment section below this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips tailored specifically for our wonderful senior community and their families. I wish you all a day filled with energy, mobility, and peace. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, so take care of it every day. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay strong, stay active, and most importantly, stay very healthy. Goodbye for now, dear friends. May your mornings always be bright and your body always feel light and ready for the beautiful world outside your door.